Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shah Sir Classes. I am Shah Sir here from Evershine Coaching Center. My dear students, today I am going to continue with the chapter Some Applications of Trigonometry of Class 10 Mathematics of NCERT syllabus. So this video will be helpful for all the students whoever are watching this session of trigonometry. Okay, so this video will be helpful for the CBSE students, ICSE students, and also for Karnataka State Board. For ICSE students, the same chapter, it is given as heights and distances. Either you go with some applications of trigonometry or you consider heights and distances, both are one and the same. Okay, so don't get confused, both the concepts are same. Okay, so if you have not yet watched our video of part 1 related to this chapter, kindly go through that so that it will be helpful for you to understand the basics so that you can able to understand this session. Let's get started without wasting much time, where we are going to cover the complete chapter right from the basics till the advanced level problems. Okay, here we are covering all the worked examples and also the exercise problems related to this chapter. Make a note of the next question, that is question number 4. From a point P on the ground, from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building, 10-meter tall building is 30-degree. Full stop. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff from P is 45-degree. Full stop. Find 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 the length find the length of the flagstaff find the length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building and the distance of the building from the point P take root 3 is equals to 1.732. Take the value of root 3 as 1.732. Here, observe here students. Here, as you can see, the given question is from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a top of a 10-meter tall building is 30-degree. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff from P is 45-degree. Find the length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building from the point P. Okay. Now, here, first we need to understand the given question and the same given statement we have to convert in the form of a figure, that is diagram. Once we analyze the diagram, once we make the figure, by using this statement, then it will be easy for us to solve the problem. As this problem is one of the most important question for your examination point of view, so that it may carry around 4 marks. Done? Okay. Observe it. From a point P on the ground. So here what I am going to do, as you can see, I am going to take one point. Let me say this is a point P. It's on the ground. It means this is the ground. On the ground, any of the side, either left side or right side. Somewhere you take one point. Clear? We have taken a point. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of a 10-meter tall building is 30 degree. From this point P, what is happening? Angle of elevation is happening. We know that angle of elevation is nothing but the movement is in the upward direction. Angle of elevation is happening. Where it is happening? On the top of a 10-meter tall building. It means here we have a 10-meter tall building. Let me say AB is a 10 meters tall building. Let me consider AB as 10-meter tall building. So from point P, angle of elevation is happening. From this point P, angle of elevation is happening. So what is this angle of elevation? That is 30 degree. I hope you have understood the question now. We have a 10-meter tall building. I am standing here. I am seeing the top of the building. The angle of elevation is said to be 30 degree. It's found to be 30 degree. Okay. Now, what is happening? A flag is hoisted at the top of the building. We are hoisting a flag. We are going to hoist the flag on the top. So, top is a building top is a. So, here I am hoisting a flag. Here I am hoisting a flag on the top of the building. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff from P is 45 degree. Again from this point P, if I take the top of this flagstaff, again from the same point P, if I am seeing the top of the flagstaff, again angle of elevation is going to take place. Now this angle is said to be 45 degree. Concept is clear? Yes, sir. First, when we see the top of the building, angle of elevation is 30 degree. When we see the top of the flagstaff, then the angle of elevation from the same point P is 45 degree. Now, my dear students, now here the question is, find the length of the flagstaff. It means they are asking this height. Let me say this point as C. Can I take this point as C? Yes, sir. If you get confused, what you can do? Let me to take this point as A, this point as B, and now let me take this point as C. We can give any alphabets, right? So that it will be easy for you to analyze the figure. Am I right? So AB is the flagstaff. The height of the flagstaff is AB. That is what they are asking us to find. And the height of the building is BC. That is 10 meters tall. Am I right? Now here they are asking us to find the length of the flagstaff. What is the height of the flagstaff? That is AB value they are asking. And also, my dear students, they are asking us to find the distance of the building from point P. From point P till C, what is the distance? Am I right? Building is BC. Understood? P is a point. From point P to C, what is the distance? What is the distance from the point P to the building? That's nothing but here we have to calculate the value of PC. I hope you understood the diagram. Am I right? Yes, figure understood. No, it's easy for us. Am I right? We know that always the height of the building and the base of the ground, it is always perpendicular. Am I right? Always how we construct a building on the ground? Perpendicular only, no? If this is the ground, how will you construct the building? You will construct the building like this? No. Always the building will be straight. Am I right? So it means angle C is 90 degree. Correct, no? Understood? This is a ground. This is a building. What it will be the angle? 90 degree. It is common sense. Understood? So here we have understood that angle C as 90 degree. Now, my dear students, as you can see, the first figure and second figure, here we have got two figures in the one figure. In one figure, we have got two different figures. Am I right? We have got two right angle triangles in this. We have got two right angle triangle. One is small right angle triangle, other one is big right angle triangle. In the small right angle triangle, acute angle is 30 degree. And the bigger right angle triangle, the acute angle is 45 degree. We have got two right angle triangles. Don't write till when I say. First, let me understand here. So here, as you can see, we have got two right angle triangles. So for the first right angle triangle is, let me say, in triangle BPC. Can we say? In triangle BPC, the small figure, can you see here? Can you see this small figure here? This triangle. In triangle BPC, in this small triangle, we know that angle C is 90 degree, and also we know that angle P is 30 degree. Out of which we know the value of this 10 meters. Am I right? The height of the building is 10 meters, right? That means BC value is 10 meters. So the value of BC is what here? The value of BC is 10 meters. Can I find PC value? See, in one triangle, if you know one side, we can find the other side. When we know the angle by using trigonometric ratio, it means, what does it mean? In one right angle triangle, this side we call it as opposite. Am I right? This is hypotenuse and this one is adjacent. It means this is my opposite side, this is my hypotenuse side, and this is my adjacent side. We know the value of opposite, we don't know the value of adjacent. In this trigonometric ratio, we have opposite by adjacent or adjacent by opposite, as you wish. Shall we take opposite by adjacent? Shall we take opposite by adjacent? That is, we know that tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Tan, here theta is 30 degree. Now my opposite side is BC. I know BC. We know opposite side. We have to find the adjacent side. That is PC. Now tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equals to, the value of BC is 10 and the value of PC we don't know. Keep it as it is. Now we can say that PC into 1 is PC. Cross multiply is equals to 10 into root 3 is 10 root 3 meters. 10 root 3 meters. Now we got the value of PC. The value of PC here is 10 root 3 meters. My dear students, in the question they have given, take the value of root 3 as 1.732. Now we can substitute here. PC is equals to 10 into 1.732. It becomes, see, this point will shift. It is 10, right? 10 means it will shift one digit. Point will shift one digit. 100 means point will shift two digits. Remember yesterday in the previous class we have discussed this about this concept. So the answer will be 17.32 meters. That is the value of PC. This point after before 1.732. This point will shift, multiplied by 10, one digit later. If you want, you can multiply and check, you will get the same answer. I hope you have understood this concept. Is this clear? Now, my dear students, as you can see here, it's very interesting, very easy problem. Actually, this complete chapter is only easy, man. But only the thing is, you have to apply some basics, nothing else. Now, we have done with the first figure. Now, let me consider the second figure in the same diagram. Which is the second figure here? This big triangle, this complete triangle, correct? Now we are going to consider this complete triangle. So here let me name this triangle as in triangle APC. Am I right? It starts from A, P and C. This complete big triangle. Earlier we took small triangle. Now we are taking the big triangle. In small triangle it was 30 degree. In bigger triangle it is 45 degree. In bigger triangle, the angle is 45 degree. Now in bigger triangle, this is AC. This is P is common. In small triangle, it was BC. This P was the point. The small triangle was BPC and the bigger triangle is APC. Am I right? Now, if you want AC, what we should do? In center, we have B. It means if you want to find AC, you should add AB and BC. If you are adding AB and BC, then you will get AC. But, but unfortunately, one thing is missing over here. What is that? We know BC, but we don't know AB. So first let me find AB. Then with AB add BC, you will get AC. Am I right? But here that is not required. They are not asking you to find AC. Only they are asking you to find AB. Only what they are asking? AB. If you want AB also, first you have to find complete AC value. In AC, you subtract BC, you will get AB. In this complete side, observe here, what we should find now? First we have to find AC. In AC, you subtract BC value. In AC, subtract BC value so that you will get AB value. Simple. Okay. Now let me consider this. In triangle APC, we know that angle P is 30 degree. Sorry, 45 degree. And angle C is 90 degree. Again here also we have to consider. What we have to consider now? Which side we know? At least some information. We know opposite. Yes or no? Or we have to find opposite. And we know adjacent. Just now we found PC. Just now we got the value of PC. So again, shall we use tan theta here? Again, as you can see, tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Here tan theta is 45 degree. Now my opposite is AC because I am taking the bigger triangle. According to the bigger triangle, AC is my full side. Opposite side. This complete is my opposite side. And my PC is adjacent side. PC is adjacent side. Now what is tan 45? 1. What is AC? AC is AB plus BC. AC is, this is AC, right? AP, AB plus BC. If you add this off plus this off, then you will get full side. Clear? Clear? Yeah. Now, let me substitute. Divided by PC. Now, what is the value of PC? Don't take 1.732 or 17.32. Just take in the value of root 3 only. Later we'll see it. So now my PC value is 10 root 3. Substitute as 10 root 3 only. Because first only if you start simplifying, later 10 into root 3 value directly you can substitute. Okay. Now, no sir, I will substitute 17.32 only. Okay, substitute. We know directly PC value is 17.32. Substitute at 17.32. Now you cross multiply. Yeah, before cross multiplying, first you substitute. AB value we don't know. BC value is 10 we know. Am I right? In the question they have given the BC is height of the building. Isn't it? Divided by 17.32. Now can we cross multiply this into this? Can we cross multiply here? So if you are going to cross multiply, 17.32 into 1 is 17.32. That is equals to AB plus 10. That is equals to AB plus 10. Now 17.32 plus 10 come to the other side. It become minus 10 is equals to AB. Now as you can see 17.32 minus 10. 10 means 10.00. Okay. So 2, 3, 7. So the value of AB is 7.32 meters. Now you can comment here. Actually they were asking us to find AB only. What is the height of the flagstaff? Am I right? So you can comment here therefore the height of the flagstaff, the height of the flagstaff is AB. The height of the flagstaff is AB, no? That is AB is equals to 7.32 meters. And what is the distance between the point P to the building? The next point, distance between the point P, distance between point P to the building is PC. Therefore, PC is equals to 17.32 meters. Yeah, before copying this answer, I just want you have to mention few steps because examiner doesn't know what is AB, what is PC, what is B, what is C. They doesn't know. Now you want to just write some two lines regarding these points. What exactly we have considered. Okay, make a note. First step, let the height of the building, let the height of the building be BC. Let the height of the building be BC. Next point. Height of the flagstaff. Height of the flagstaff is height of the flagstaff B AB. B means we are assuming. Height of the flagstaff B AB. BEB AB. Next point. Distance between the point P. Distance between point P to the building. Distance between point P to the building B BEB PC. BPC. Okay. After writing this, you have to start solving this problem. Actually, here I have solved this one side and this other side. Actually, you no need to copy the same thing as it is here. First, you solve step 1. After you complete PC, below that you can copy the right hand side. Okay. So, this is what it carries 4 marks. So, it is 4 mark carrying question. You can copy down. Yeah. Now we'll proceed with the next problem. I hope you have copied these steps. Now, the next problem here is, this is question number 5. Make a note. Question number 5. The shadow of a tower, the shadow of a tower standing on a level ground is found to be 40-meter longer 40-meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree than when it is 60 degree. Full stop. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Okay. Actually, the question looks so easy. But one thing I like to tell you guys, in exam, how much they give you more steps in the question, the answer will be that much small. How much the question they give less steps, the answer will be a bit complicated. Remember, it's reverse. Don't get afraid by seeing the steps of the given question. How much steps they have given more, that shows the answer is that much small. How much they have given the question less steps, it means something is tricky over there. That is what actually I feel. But I don't know what you feel. Anyhow, let me solve this problem so that we'll understand. Clear? Huh. Now, here the question is, the shadow of a tower standing on a level ground is found to be 40-meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree than when it is 60 degree. Sir, what's the shadow of a tower? Okay, sir. One tower was there. If sun is here, if sunlight falls here, his shadow will fall here. Am I right? Correct, no man. If sunrise falling here, what happens? The building shadow will fall here, right? The shadow will fall in front of us only. It's a natural, no man. When you guys, when you are walking on the road, you can see whenever the sunrise fall on you, your shadow will fall in front of you. Am I right? Ah. Even here also the same thing we have to understand. The shadow of a tower standing on a level ground. Now let me say this is my tower. What it is? My tower. Okay. Now I am going to give the name of the tower as AB. The name of the tower is AB. Somewhere here is sun. Sun is here. Sun rays will fall on the building. Sun rays will fall on the building. Now this is my ground. This is my ground. Okay. Clear? AB is the building and B, from B to some point, I am not mentioning which is the point, so it is a ground. On the ground we have a building. Now here the question is, the shadow of a tower standing on a level ground is found to be 40 meter. Now how much is the shadow is falling, it seems here? 40 meter. It is falling 40 meters. Not exactly 40 meters. Even in that they have given some hidden step. If they would have said 40 meter is shadow falling, let me say this is the shadow C. From B to C was 40 meter. We might have said no. Building shadow is 40 meter means we might have written BC as 40 meters. Correct no? ठीक है बेटा. अब मैं इधर पे खड़ा हूँ, मेरा shadow नीचे गिर रहा है जमीन में मेरे सामने. तो मैं जिधर पे खड़ा हूँ मेरे से जिधर तक shadow पड़ रहा है उसका लेंथ आप मेजर करें तो 40 मीटर है. करेक्ट नो. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನ್ನ ಶಾಡೋ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೀವು ನಿಂತಿರೋ ಜಾಗದಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. That is the length of the shadow. But here they are not telling like that. 40 meter shadow is there, but one more condition they have given. What is that? Is found to be 40 meter. Is found to be 40 meter longer. 40 meter longer. When? Have you seen the movies? They'll be showing you one script. Then hero will close the eyes. 3 years later, again they go behind story. Understood? He is admitted in the hospital. The hero is admitted in the hospital. When someone will come and ask him, what happened to you? Then he will tell, what, as soon you open the mouth, script, what happens? They will stop. Then 3 years later, one big city they will show how it started, why he came here. Here also the incident is like that. What is that? 40 meter longer. When the sun's altitude is 30 degree than when it is 60 degree. Again, in that movie, another movie is coming. When the sun's altitude is 30 degree. Well, actually, 40 meter long it is coming. Okay, I agree. It is coming 40 meters long. Understood? 40 meters long. When it was 40 meters long, when its altitude is 30 degree. But again, then when it is 60 degree, it means that first actually it is angle of depression was, angle of elevation was 60 degree. Understood? First sun's altitude was 60 degree. First sun's altitude was 60 degree. Are you getting children? पहले सन्स का एल्टीट्यूड क्या था? then when, फिर और एक when आया. पहले इधर पे एक when आया. अब ये 40 मीटर लॉन्गर है, 40 मीटर ज्यादा है. कब? when the sun's altitude is 30 degree. When the sun's altitude is 30 degree, it was 40 meters. Again then when it is 60 degree, जब उसका एंगल, जब सन्स का एल्टीट्यूड का जो शैडो है पहले 60 डिग्री था उससे पहले. Understood? See here, again I will tell you. This is my building. First it is telling first sun's altitude was 60 degree. This is the question. First sun's altitude was 60 degree. Some shadow was there. The length of the shadow. First, when the sun's altitude was 60 degree, this was the length of the shadow. Now, when the sun's altitude is 30 degree, when it became 30 degree, sun's का altitude क्या हुआ? जब 30 degree है, तब उसका length क्या हुआ? पहले वो जितना था उससे 40 मीटर बढ़ गया. Earlier sun's altitude was, let me say this as D. Earlier sun's altitude was 60 degree. When the sun's altitude was 60 degree, some length of the shadow was there. But when the sun's altitude became 30 degree, earlier how much it was its length, उससे 40 मीटर क्या हो गया? ज्यादा हो गया. This is what they are telling. If we come with the reverse order, say read the same question in reverse order. First start from this when it is 60 degree. Understood? Some shadow was there. When sun's altitude was 30 degree, the length of the shadow was increased 40 meters. You understood? समझ में आया बेटा? जब 60 डिग्री एंगल था तो उसका कुछ शैडो का लेंथ था. जब उसका लेंथ जब उसका शैडो बिल्डिंग का शैडो 30 डिग्री हो गया तो क्या हो गया? जितना पहले उसका लेंथ था उससे 40 मीटर बढ़ गया. Okay? Yeah. Now let me take few steps. If you are getting confused, okay. So shall we write here? Okay. No, AB is my building. पहले ए भी था नहीं. एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से जाने तो क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से जाना तो क्या करना था? पहले सी आया था, राइट? फर्स्ट सी ओनली केम, नो? एम आई राइट? देन हु केम? देन डी केम. नो यू कैन एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. फर्स्ट हु केम? सी केम. देन लेटर डी केम. या फर्स्ट टेक डाउन वन स्टेप. let the height of the building, height of the tower, let the height of the tower be AB. Let the height of the tower be AB. Let the height of the tower be AB. Next line. The length of the shadow, the length of the shadow, the length of the shadow when sun's altitude was 60 degree, when sun's altitude was 60 degree is BC. Am I right? Correct, no? When sun's altitude was 60 degree, what is the length of the shadow? BC. You understood? Next line. The angle of elevation, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the tip of the shadow, from the tip of the shadow is 60 degree. From the tip of the shadow is 60 degree. Next point. Next point. The length of the shadow, the length of the shadow when the length of the shadow, comma, when the sun's altitude, when the sun's altitude in bracket angle of elevation, the sun's altitude, altitude means angle of elevation, when the sun's altitude in bracket angle of elevation is 30 degree, is BD. BD. Correct now? The total. No man? Yes, sir. Once again. When the sun's altitude was 60 degree, the length of the shadow is BC. When the sun's altitude is 30 degree, the length of the shadow is BD. Now what they are asking here? To calculate the height of the tower. Means they are asking us to calculate the value of AB. Okay. But one interesting concept is here. They have given two angle of elevations here. Am I right? In this we have got two triangles, no man. One is 30-degree triangle, other one is 60-degree triangle. Am I right? No, sir. Which triangle shall we take first? It's up to you, your wish. We can take any triangle. We can take any triangle. Shall we take first bigger triangle? If you are going to take bigger triangle, then you can write in triangle ABC. We know angle B is 90-degree. Correct, no? Yes, sir. Always the angle between the tower and the ground will be 90-degree. And angles D is 30-degree. Angle D as 30-degree. Correct, no? In which we have to find opposite and something they have given related to adjacent. Some information also, if you know, we have to take that side. Understood? Opposite by adjacent. We know that tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Then tan 30 is equals to, my opposite is AB and the adjacent is BD or DB. Both are same. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. The value of AB we don't know. Keep it as it is. But we know the value of BD. The value of BD is CD plus BC. Correct? Yes, sir. That's full side, no? Sir. It's a full side, no? This is full side. If you want full side, you have to add half plus half. First DC and then CB. ABD. Sorry. The triangle name is ABD, not ABC. In triangle ABD, acute angle is 30 degree. Angle D is 30. Okay. Now, substitute the values which all you know. 1 by root 3 as it is. We don't know AB. Keep it as it is. We know CD is 40 meters. We don't know BC. Keep it as it is. Now we can cross multiply. Let me do cross multiply here itself. 40 plus BC into 1 is 40 plus BC is equals to AB. Let me keep root 3 as it is. Let me keep root 3 as it is. Now we got the value of AB as 40 plus BC by root 3. Here which value we want? We want BC or AB? AB. We want AB, no? Yes, sir. We want the value of AB. So that now we have taken the AB value as 40 plus BC by root 3. But still we don't know BC according to this statement. Am I right? Yes. We got AB value. AB value is 40 plus BC by root 3 only. We want AB, so I have taken AB. But the answer is not clear here. The answer is not clear. Still some information is hidden. Which hidden? BC value is hidden. So let me make this as equation 1. Let me consider this answer as equation 1. Now shall we go to the next figure? That is in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we know that angle C is 60 degree and angle B as 90 degree. Again, can we apply tan theta here also, opposite by adjacent? Isn't it? Can we apply for this triangle? According to this triangle ABC, angle C is 60 degree and angle B is 90 degree. Am I right? Again, tan theta is 60 degree. Opposite is AB, adjacent is BC. Opposite is AB, adjacent is BC. Clear? Now what is tan 60? Root 3. Tan 60 is root 3 is equals to AB plus BC. AB by BC. What is the value of AB? We don't know. What is the value of BC? We don't know. Shall we do something here? Adjustment. Shall we keep the answer in terms of BC so that we can find AB? We have written this answer in form of AB, no man. See here. 40 plus BC into 1 is 40 plus BC, no? By root 3 is equals to AB. This was the answer. Correct, no man? If not, cross multiply. 40 plus BC into 1, 40 plus BC is equals to AB into root 3, AB root 3. Shall we write like this? Shall we write like this? Yes, sir. Now, shall we keep this answer in terms of BC? No, BC is equals to AB root 3 minus 40. Shall we keep the answer like this? What is BC now? AB into root 3 minus 40. Now this BC shall be substitute here. Instead of this, let me say this as equation 1. Now shall we cross multiply BC here? Now BC is equals to AB by root 3. BC is equals to AB by root 3. Clear? Now what is BC? BC is AB root 3 minus 40 is equals to AB by root 3. Now what we want? We want AB. We are finding the value of AB, no? We want AB. Am I right? So keep AB as it is. Root 3 shift to the opposite side. It becomes root 3 into AB root 3 minus 40. That is equals to AB. Now I'll solve here. Now we can say that AB is equals to AB root 3 into root 3. If you multiply this into this, AB root 3 into root 3 is AB root 3 whole square. Again minus this into this, again this into this. Plus into minus, minus 40 into root 3, 40 root 3. Then square root, cancel. AB into 3, 3AB minus 40 root 3. That is equals to AB. Now we want AB. We want AB. So what I am doing? I'll simplify this AB terms one side. That is 3AB I will keep as it is. Plus 1AB come this side. Minus AB is equals to minus 40 root 3 go that side. Plus 40 root 3. You understood, man? This plus AB is coming this side. Minus 40 root 3 is going that side. 3AB as it is. Plus 1AB come this side. Minus 1AB. This minus 40 root 3 go that side. It becomes plus 40 root 3. Now 3AB minus 1AB, 2AB is equals to 40 root 3. Then AB is equals to 40 by 2 into root 3. 40 by 2 into root 3. So 2 ones are 2 20s are. The value of AB is 20 root 3 meters. The value of AB is 20 root 3 meters. Did they say anything in the question? Take the value of root 3 anything? No. Then keep the answer in form of root 3 only. No need to substitute. Now directly you can say that therefore the height of the tower is 20 root 3 meters. That's all. Okay? Did you understood? Yes. Where? Root 3. I didn't took root 3 common here. See here. This step, no? Yes, sir. Wait. I'll show you. Look at here. In this step, no, you are speaking? Before 11. Yeah, this step, after that, how did we get this step? Look at here. Actually, first what I did here, I am cross multiplying this root 3 with this. Cross multiply. So I have written this term outside. This root 3 when we cross multiply, it becomes root 3 into this. Root 3 will multiply with all these terms. Clear? Understood? समझ गए बेटा? ये रूट 3 क्या होता? ये पूरे टर्म के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा. So I have taken root 3 outside. This complete term is one term. Which one? This complete term is one term. So root 3 will multiply with AB root 3 also. Root 3 will multiply with 40 also. Okay. So the value of AB is 20 root 3 meters. I hope you have understood the question. Sure? Okay. It's not like only you have to take in the form of BC only. If you want, you can take in the form of AB. You will get equation 1, equation 2. From both the sides, equation and equation 2, if you equate, you will get AB. You can do in any of the form. Okay. Till here, did you understood? Okay. That step also I'll show you. I hope you have copied these steps, right? Yes, sir. Yeah. See here. One more step I'll show you. Not only this is one method we have another method also to solve this problem. From where we get this step means from here. I'll show you. The answer was here, no? from this step. I'll show you the answer from this step. Okay, let me to erase this. Let me to erase this part. Okay, forget about this part. Forget about this part. I'm showing you one more method. How can we find the answer for this? Till here it is common, right? Correct, no man? 40 plus BC equals AB root 3 we got. Okay. Now what I will do, I'll take BC here. BC is equals to, sorry, 1 minute. Here you can see in this step 1 by root 3 as it is. AB we don't know. Correct, no man? AB we don't know. Fine, well and good. 40 plus BC, this was my step. Same step I have written once again. Now after this what I should do, I don't know. After this what I have to do, what we have to do, we don't know. Then what I did, I have cross multiply 40 plus BC with 1. 40 plus BC into 1 is 40 plus BC. Divided by root 3 is equals to AB. Correct, no? Now in this, we don't know AB also. We don't know BC also. No, it's confusion. Sir, now what I should do? Example. We don't know what we have to do. Correct? So keep AB as it is. Keep BC also as it is. Whenever you get doubt, when you are solving any problem, see, even the same thing you apply in surface area and also. जब तुम्हें डाउट आता नहीं क्या बेटा, अब इसके बाद में क्या करना समझ में नहीं जा रहा, तो आंसर को हाँ स्टॉप करो. Don't do anything. Keep the answer there itself. Stop the answer there itself. Then you try with the next problem. Stop your answer. Then later we see what we have to do. अब इसमें LHS क्या है? अब इसके अंदर हमारे को LHS कहां पे आके रुका है? AB और RHS. AB को स्टॉप हो है तो हांस रुको. अब इसमें भी AB करने का, नेक्स्ट स्टेप में भी AB करने के टर्म को हांस रखो. That is, shall we cross multiply here? Root 3 into BC is equals to AB. Correct? Am I right? Root 3 into cross multiply BC into root 3 BC is equals to AB. Now let me say this is equation 2. Let me call this as equation 1. Now from equation 1 and 2, you can see both the sides we have AB. Yes or no? Both the sides we have AB only, no? When both the RHS are equal, then LHS are also equal. So we can say that therefore from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, we can say that 40 plus BC by root 3 is equals to root 3 into BC. Can we write? Yes, sir. Both sides for AB get cancelled. Yes, sir. Because both are equal. When these both RHS are equal, then even these both LHS are also equal. Then these both LHS are also equal. When both RHS are equal, then even LHS are also equal. I have equated. Now what I can write? Now what we can do? Can we cross multiply root 3? Then it becomes 40 plus BC is equals to this into this. Root 3 into root 3 whole square into BC. Square root? Cancel. What is left out? 40 plus BC is equals to 3BC. Keep 40 as it is. 3BC minus BC. 3BC as it is. This plus 1BC come to the other side. It becomes minus 1BC. Am I right? Now we can say that 40 is equals to 3BC minus 1BC, 2BC. Then I'll solve here. Now 40 by 2 is equals to BC. 2 ones are 2 20s are. So the value of BC is 20 meters. But here they are asking AB values. They are not asking BC to find. They are asking AB. Now what we can do, as you can see, now I have LHS and RHS. You take any one. Either you take equation 1 or you take equation 2, your wish. Now substitute BC value in equation 2, which is easy for me, equation 2. Now we have to write, substitute BC value or the value of BC. Substitute the value of BC in equation 2. What is equation 2 here? Root 3 BC is equals to AB. Root 3 BC is equals to AB. Now what is the value of BC I got now? 20. Shall we substitute here? Sir. So root 3 into 20 is equals to AB. That's nothing but AB is equals to 20 root 3 meters. Followed? Try with any of the method. It's up to you. It's up to you. You can follow any method as you wish. If you are taking BC, this is the method. If you are directly taking AB, that is the method. So both are one and the same. You try with any of the method, you will get the same answer. That's what I said to you. Whenever you get struck, stop there only. Next, second equation also try to make as similar to equation 1. Then substitute. Exactly, we don't find. After equating only, we have to find. Okay, guys. So next problem. Yeah, students. Now let me solve problem number 6. Take down the angles. The angles of depression. The angles of depression of the top and the bottom of an 8-meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building are 30-degree and 45-degree, comma, respectively, full stop. Find the height of the multi-storied building. Find the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between the two buildings. Yeah. So, my dear students, yet if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon so that you can find the instant updates and notifications from our end time to time. And also, Emerson Coaching Center, it is located in Tannery Road, Bangalore. Okay. So, if any students are interested to join our regular classes, you can contact us on 9964257448. So, here we conduct classes from class 1st to class 12th for all the boards ICSE, IGCSE, CBSE, and also for Karnataka State Boards. Done? And also for science and commerce stream. For both the streams, we conduct the classes over here. And very importantly, we conduct both online and offline classes. For both the sessions, we conduct the classes and also we conduct the classes for abroad, such as Australia curriculum, England curriculum, or UAE curriculum. For all the boards and for all the countries, we conduct the classes here from our institute. If any students are interested to join for regular classes, do contact us and also do not forget to comment how was our session. Okay, take care, all the best. Now let me proceed with the question. As you can see, the question is given here as the angles of depression. Till now we were discussing if this is a point, angle of elevation on the top. Now we are going to discuss that is angle of depression down. Now it is not angle of elevation. The problem is related to angle of depression. Okay. The angles of depression of the top and the bottom of an 8-meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building are 30-degree and 45-degree respectively. Find the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between the two buildings. Children, a bit confused, but not much confused. Just a simple idea we have to generate here to solve this problem. Angle of depression is happening. So it is common sense. The angle is coming down. The angle of depression of the top and bottom of a 8-meter tall building. See here. This is a building. 8-meter tall building. It's an 8-meter tall building. 1 minute. Okay. I have one 8-meter tall building. Let me to name this building as AB. Clear? AB is a 8-meter tall building. Please understand the question here carefully. The angle of depression हो रहा कहाँ हो रहा of the top and bottom of a 8-meter tall building from angle of depression हो रहा 8-meter tall building को कहां से from का मतलब what is the meaning of from? It is not happening from here. It is not happening from here. It is happening from angle of depression is happening to this building from a multi-storied building in front of that 8-meter tall building. One multi-storied building is there, one apartment is there, one flats are there. So that is called as a multi-storied building. More than one floor if any building is there, such a building is called as multi-storied building. From this multi-storied building, let me say CD. So from this CD, from this multi-storied building CD, angle of depression is happening to the top and to the bottom. The angle of depression is happening to the top. To the top. First is what? To the top. See, first value they have given 30 degrees to the top. 30 degrees to the top. Understood? My dear students, if this angle of depression has to take place from C, top is C only, no? If the angle of depression, if it has to take place from top C, one horizontal we have to create. We have to create one horizontal. Can I say this is my horizontal? From point C, exactly from point C, one line we have to draw, that is horizontal. From the horizontal, angle of depression is going to take place. This is interesting. This is what actually I just wanted to mention here. Please understand this concept carefully. See, once again, let me to draw this figure for your better understanding, because most of you will do confusion here. You'll get confused here. See here. So let me say this is my AB is my building, 8-meter tall building. This building is of 8 meters. In front of this building, we have one multi-storied building. We have got one multi-storied building. Let me say CD. Understood? From this building, multi-storied building, from this building, angle of depression is happening. Okay. What is happening? Angle of depression. Angle of depression हो रहा बेटा. अगर से angle of depression होना, तो कौन सा reference line से होगा? Horizontal. First we have to draw one horizontal. From this horizontal, angle of depression is happening 30 degree. Why am I showing you this? Because most of you will do this one mistake. You know what is the mistake they do? See, when it was AB, when this was CD, usually what people do, they will draw this line and they will tell this is 30 degree. You understood? This is a major confusion takes place. They will mention this angle is 30 degree. Actually, that is not 30 degree. Actually, if angle of elevation or angle of depression, if it has to take place, then we need one horizontal line. With respect to horizontal. From point C, we have to draw one horizontal. From that horizontal only, angle of depression will take place. Again, for the top of the building, first angle of depression is 30 degree. And one more was 45 degree. Where is this angle of depression 45 degree? See, for the top, understood. Again, can you see? The angle of depression of the top and bottom. First angle of depression is happening to the top of the building. Then angle of depression is happening to the bottom of the building. Now my bottom of the building is this. So angle of depression here is 45 degree. You understood? If not, what they do know? They will write like this and they will tell this is 45 degree. It is wrong. This is not 45 degree. Always angle of depression will take with respect to the horizontal. This is a major mistake most of will do. So that their problem will goes wrong. First thing you have to understand this before you could solve any problem. Any doubts? Understood? Yeah. Now, second important thing which I just like to mention here, observe you. See, everyone knows the problem. I'm not telling they don't know, but this is a silly mistake happens due to which they may lose 4 marks to 5 marks whenever they are solving this chapter. And one more important thing which I like to mention here, guys. Observe you. What is that important thing which I just like to mention here? Please observe you. I have drawn a shape of Z here. What this shape of Z indicates, when these two lines are parallel lines, when these two lines are parallel lines, please understand carefully. When these two lines are parallel lines, what angle we have here? Here also we have same angle. That is called as alternate angles. If this angle is 30 degree, then this angle is also 30 degree. You have to understand this. When this will happen, only when these two lines are parallel lines. When these two lines are parallel lines, understood? Sure. When these two lines are parallel lines, when we draw one transversal, I hope you have studied in your 9th standard. When two lines are parallel lines, observe here, when these two lines are parallel lines, once when we draw a transversal, what happens? What angle here we have? Here also we have same angle. What angle here we have? Here also we have same angle. What angle we have here? Here also we have same angle. What angle here we have? Here also we have same angle. That is nothing but, in short, I will say you the shape of Z. Remember the shape of Z. In Z, this angle equal. Remember the shape of Z. Here what angle we have? Here also we have same angle. Remember the shape of Z. What angle here we have? Here also we have same. Understood? Understood the concept? Yes. Sure? Yes. Good. And in the shape of Z, one more important thing. What length here we have? Here also the length is same. If this is 3 centimeter, this is also 3 centimeter. Clear? From here to here, if it is 4 centimeter, then here to here is also 4 centimeter. When they are joining with the same lines. When they are in the same line. Okay. So this concept I am going to apply here in this problem. Before I am going to solve this problem. My dear students, please try to understand this concept carefully. Again, let me to read the question once again. The angle of depression of the top and bottom of a 8-meter tall building. Angle of depression is happening for what? 8-meter tall building. But here the condition is from. From means it angle of depression is not going to happen from 8-meter tall building. Angle of depression is happening from some other building to the 8-meter tall building. From a top from the top of a from top of the building only angle of depression is happening. Angle of depression is happening from the top of a multi-storied building. Multi-storied building top is C. From C only two angle of depression is happening. Understood? Yes. That is 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of the multi-storied building. CD. Find the height of the multi-storied building and also the distance between the two buildings. BD. Understood the question? Understood the question? Yeah. Dear students, now I am going to modify this figure. What I am doing? Yeah, modification. Observe here. What is that modification? Interesting. Please observe here carefully. In this only, if I draw that extra lines, you will get confused. So I am drawing one more figure so that it will give you a clarity what we did. After I draw everything, later when you start revising your notes, you will get confused. How it happened. That's the reason. Even when you guys copy down, please copy down two figures so that you will understand what actually you have taken. First, angle of depression. Before you draw this line, before joining CA, what we should do? Draw one horizontal. First angle of depression is 30 degree. Correct? This is one figure. Okay. I'm going to draw two figures here so that you will get a better clarity. One more triangle I will draw here. AB. Multi-storied building, let me say CD. The second angle of depression before you are going to draw one horizontal. So this is my 45 degree. Correct? Sure. Understood? Sure. Understood? No. Yeah. For top, angle of depression is 30 degree. This is case 1. Case 2. Second angle of depression to the bottom is 45 degree. Yes, sir. Clear? For the first angle of depression from here to here is 30 degree. First angle of depression is 30 degree for the top. And then for second angle of depression is to the bottom. This is angle of depression. To the bottom is 45 degree. Sir. Now you got the difference? Yes, sir. Did you get the difference? Yes, sir. Now what I am going to do it here, observe here. I am going to draw one line which is parallel to BD. Let me say this point as E. What I have drawn? I have drawn one parallel line. What is that parallel line? AE. I am joining. I am drawing AE line. Now this AE line is parallel to BC. Correct? Now when this angle is 30 degree, even this angle is also 30 degree. Will you agree? Yes, sir. Z shape. Yes, sir. When this is 30, this is also 30. Done? Clear? Huh. One more thing. When AB is 10, sorry, when AB is 8 meters, then ED is also 8 meters. Parallel line. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Clear? So here we can say that AB is equals to DE is equals to 8 meters. How much is AB? Even D is also same. Similarly, even we can say how much is AE? Even BD is also same. Yes, sir. Clear? Yes, sir. How much is my AE? Even my BD is also same. AE and BD same. Either you find BD value or you find AE value, both are same. Both are same. My dear students, as you can see, now when this angle is 30 degree, can you see here this angle is 30 degree, no? Yes, sir. Now can you take this shape triangle yellow? Can you see the region which I have shaded here with yellow? Yes. Can I take that as my triangle? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can I take this as my triangle? The name of the triangle is AC. Can we take the triangle AC? Yes, according to triangle AC, angle A is equals to 30 degree. Don't want C. Don't go with C. 90. Angle E is 90 degree. Shall we take? Yes, sir. Here also, shall we do the same thing? When my this angle is 45 degree, then this angle is also 45 degree. Now what I am going to do? I am going to take this as my triangle. Can I take this as my triangle? Sir. According to 45 degree, I am going to take triangle BCD. So now we got two triangles. समझ में बेटा? इधर पे ये 30 डिग्री था तो इधर पे 30 डिग्री, तो इधर 45 डिग्री है तो इधर भी है 45 डिग्री. Interesting? Yes, understood? Yes, good. Now it's up to you. Which figure you want, you can take as you wish. Shall we take from 30 degree? First, shall we take the triangle of 30 degree? If you are going to take this first figure, according to that we can say that in triangle ACE, we know angle A is 30 degree, angle E is 90 degree. Shall we use opposite by adjacent? Tan theta? Because we don't want hypotenuse. Hypotenuse का तो क्या भी नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. Do you think they are asking AEC value? No, it is not required. So what I am going to do, tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Then tan 30 is equals to opposite is according to triangle AC. Tan 30 equals opposite. Name of the opposite. Here I am taking this triangle. Correct, AC? According to triangle AC, this is my opposite and this is my adjacent. So what is my opposite here? CE. Adjacent. Adjacent. AE. Correct. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equals to CE. We don't know. AE also we don't know. We don't know AE value. We don't know CE value. So what I suggested in the beginning? What I suggested in the beginning? When you don't know anything, when you are confused, stop there only. Don't do anything for that. As if now, let me stop that step. Yes. Now come back to the next figure. What is my second figure? What is the name of my second diagram? In triangle BCD. This is my second figure now, man. Yes, sir. In triangle BCD, angle B is equals to 45 degree. Angle B is equals to 45 degree. Am I right? Yes, sir. Angle D is equals to 90 degree. Shall we use again tan theta? Yes, sir. Then tan 45 is equals to opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? CD. Adjacent BD. This is my opposite and this is my adjacent. Samjhe beta? Yes, sir. Understood? Yes, sir. Yeah. Now, what is tan 45? 1 is equals to CD. What is CD? Huh? जरा ऊपर जाना. हाँ सर. हाँ, very good. What is CD? See the figure. CE plus ED, sir. CD, CE plus ED. Very good. What is CD? CE plus ED. This figure. Yes, sir. CD full side. CD, CE plus ED. My dear students, now we can write CD as, what is CD? CE plus ED divided by BD. Correct? Now, please observe this side. Observe this case. Observe this side and try to match this value similar to this equation. अब इसके भी values को जरा match करेंगे बेटा. Okay. One as it is. What is C? Do you know the value of C? No, sir. No, we don't know. What is ED? Huh? Here. AB and DE are ED, both are same. Yes, sir. 8. What is BD? You take BD or you take AE, both are same. Sir. Shall I write AE? Sir. Why am I using AE? To match this. Yes, sir. Sir. To match this. Sir. Now, what we can do? Cross multiply AE into 1. AE is equals to CE plus 8. Yes, sir. Okay? Sir. Now, this answer, which answer? This step. This answer, try to change either in the form of CE or in the form of A. In which form shall we keep? A. Shall we keep in A? Because A is LHS according to this step. Now come this side. AE into 1 is AE is equals to root 3 CE. Yes, sir. Now I'll make this as equation 1. Correct? Yes, sir. Now this is my equation 2. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, both the sides we have AE. When both the LHS are equal, then RHS are also equal. That is root 3 CE is equals to CE plus 8. Then root 3 CE plus CE come this side minus CE is equals to 8. Then root 3 CE minus 1 CE we can't do. So what I am going to do? I am going to take CE as common. When I take CE as common, it becomes root 3 minus 1. CE into root 3 is root 3 CE minus CE into 1 is CE. That is equals to 8. Then CE is equals to 8 upon or 8 by root 3 minus 1. This is the value of CE. Did they give any value or take root 3 or something like that? No. Did they took? No, they have not taken. So what shall we do? How much is CE we got? What was the figure? Figure is, let me say, this is my AB, no? In the figure. Again, I should go back. So, correct, no? We have drawn this line, no? Yes, man. This was the figure, no, man? Correct, no? Ah. Now, actually, what they were asking, find the height of the multi-storied building, no, they were asking. This was the question, no, man? And also, they are asking to find the distance, no? They were asking this also, no? No, what we got CE? Where is CE? We got this side. We got CE. And we know DE. When this is 8 meter, this is also 8 meter. Now, shall we add? What is the height of the building now? What is the height of the multi-storied building? CD. Height of the multi-storied building is CD. If you want to find CD, what you should do? Yeah, CE plus ED. Excuse me. CE plus ED. Correct, no? To find the value of CD, we have to add CE plus ED. Excuse me. CE is 8 by root 3 minus 1 plus ED is 8. Now what we should do? We have to take the LCM. Now my LCM is root 3 minus 1. Then this become 8 plus 8 into root 3 minus 1. Let me to solve this step here. Okay. Now can I take 8 as common? Can we take from this 8 as common? If you are going to take 8 as common, then it become 1 plus root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Didn't understood? See here. Here also we have 8. Excuse me. Here we have 8. Here also we have 8. So I took 8 common. When 8 came out, 8 into what is 8? 8 into 1. So 8 into 1 is 8. Already this 8 came out. Then what is left out? Root 3 minus 1. You multiply 8 into 1? 8. Yes. 8 into root 3 minus 1? 8 into root 3 minus 1. That's what we have taken the common factor. Okay? Done. Now, dear students, plus 1 minus 1 cancels. Now, what is left out? What is left out? 8 into root 3. The left out part is 8 into root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1. 8 into root 3 by root 3 minus 1. But here, my denominator is rationalizing factor. Since denominator we got root, since the denominator value is root, we have to do rationalization for this step. How to do the rationalization? Observe here this step. That is 8 root 3 by root 3 minus 1. The rationalizing factor of root 3 minus 1 is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Multiply and divide by its conjugate. Then multiply numerator with numerator. 8 root 3 into root 3 plus 1. And denominator with denominator. So denominator it's in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Now we can say that 8 root 3 as it is into root 3 plus 1 divided by square root get cancel 3 minus 1 square is 1. 8 root 3 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. The value is 4 root 3 into root 3 plus 1 meters. This is the value of what? BC. That is the height of the multi-storied building. Did they give any value of root 3 to take? No, right? Then stop your answer there only. Now we got the height of the multi-storied building. And also they are asking something to calculate. What they are asking us to calculate? Distance between the two buildings. As we know that this was my diagram. This is our diagram, no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Correct, no? This is my diagram. No, I will erase this. Let me keep a plain figure. This is my diagram, no? Plain figure. Correct, no? Now they are asking us to find the value of BD. This is the distance, right? BD. Either you take BD or you take AE. Both are same. Now come back to our previous equation 1 and 2. Where is AE or BD value? See here. BD or AE both are same, no? Yes, sir. BD and AE both are same, no? Can we take our equation 2? Yes, sir. AE is equals to CE plus 8. Yes, sir. AE is equals to CE plus 8. Or you can also take here also. AE is equals to root 3 CE. A is equals to root 3 CE. Which shall we go? 2, sir. Root 3. 1 or 2? 1, 2, sir. 2, sir. 1. How many of you say 1? How many of you say 2? We can go with any one. Your wish. Yes, sir. From both also we get AE. AE is nothing but BET. BD or AE both are equal. Shall we go with 2 only? Okay. AE is equals to CE plus 8. AE is equals to CE plus 8. So now what I am going to write here. Therefore, from equation 2, AE is equals to CE plus 8. Correct? Correct, no? Yes. But sir, C plus 8. Then what is C? Hey, we didn't find BC, man. Which value we found now? CD. We found the height of the multi-storied building, no? That is CD value we found. What is CD? CD is equals to CE plus ED. CE plus ED. Now we have to find CE from CD first. Clear? Still we don't know CE value. Correct, domain? How to find CE? Look at here. We know that CD is equals to CE plus ED. How much is CD? Just now we calculate. 4 root 3 into root 3 plus 1. This is CD. Is equals to CE. CE. We don't know. Plus ED. AB is 8 meters. ED is also 8 meters. So what we can write here? ED is 8 meters. So now we get CE from this. Okay. Now we can write multiply. Shall we multiply? Yes, sir. Full confusion. That is only a problem. Okay. Keep CE as it is. Keep CE as it is. Okay. If not, you multiply. 4 root 3 into root 3. 4 root 3 whole square. Plus 4 root 3 into 1. 4 root 3 is equals to CE plus 8. Square root cancel. 4 3 is 12 plus 4 root 3 is equals to CE plus 8. 12 plus 4 root 3 plus 8 comes this side minus 8 is equals to CE. Then CE is equals to 12 minus 8 4 plus 4 root 3. 4 root 3 into root 3 whole square. Root we have to multiply with root. Number we have to multiply with number. 4 root 3 into root 3, man. 4 is number. Number you should multiply with number. Root we have to multiply with root. So 4 root 3 into root 3 is root 3 whole square. Square will get cancelled 12. Okay, done. Now CE is equals to, okay, we got no. CE is 4 plus 4 root 3. Now let me substitute CE value here. Then AE is equals to 4 plus 4 root 3. AE is equals to CE is 4 plus 4 root 3 plus 8. Then AE is equals to number we should add with number only. Root terms we have to add with root terms. 4 plus 8? 12 root 3 plus 8. 12 root 3 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. No, in 12 and 8, can we take anything common?
Sir, how? Sir, yes, sir. Sir, 12 plus 12.
See, man, we can't add these both, man.
Not add. How is that? But we not add. 8 plus 4, 12.
Huh?
8 plus 4, 12. 12.
Huh?
4 root 8. 12, 4 root 8.
This man. See, man. Huh? 4 plus 8?
12. 12.
Shit. Just a minute. It's hanging. Yeah. Now we can write AE is equals to 4 plus 8, 12 plus 4 root 3. 4 plus 8, 12 plus 4 root 3.
Yes, sir.
Now 12 and 4. Does it multiply? Does it goes with any table?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it goes with 4 table. So 4 common. 4 3s are 12 plus root 3. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Root 3 value no need to substitute. Stop there itself. So AE is equals to 4 into 3 plus root 3 meters. Understood? Now, my dear students, as you know that the question was what? Find the height of the multi-storied building. Then you have to at last you have to comment. Therefore, height of the multi-storied tall building or multi-storied building is, what is the multi-storied building? CD. Multi-storied building is CD. The value of CD was 4 into root 3 plus 1 meters. Correct? And what was the height? Sorry, what was the distance? Therefore, distance between the two buildings, distance between the two buildings is what? AE. Distance between the two buildings is AE. Therefore, AE is equals to 4 into 3 plus root 3 meters. Okay? Yeah, students, I hope you have understood this problem. And I hope I have explained you the complete chapter in detail. But still, I'm going to explain the same problem in one step. Observe you. Here, the given question was AB was the tall building, and please understand carefully, CD was the multi-storied building. The height of the AB was given as 8 meters tall building, and now they're asking us to find the value of CD, in which now I'm going to draw one horizontal where first the angle of depression, it is 30 degrees, and then the angle of depression was 45 degree. Now to solve this problem, what I did, I have drawn one more line which is parallel to BD. I have given the name as AE. I have given the name as AE. Now, when we know this angle is 30, then even this angle is also my 30 degree. So let me draw one picture. Okay, this angle is 30. When this total angle is 45, then this total angle is also 45. Now, where you have got 30-degree angle, you make that one triangle. Now, which is my 30-degree angle? See, where you are getting 30-degree, you draw one triangle for that. That is, I am going to write in triangle ACE, in triangle, this triangle. Can you see this top triangle? In my triangle ACE, I am going to write angle A as 30-degree, okay, and angle E as 90-degree. Where I am going to use not hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is not required to me. Only I want opposite and adjacent values here. So what I did, I have applied tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Then my tan 30 value, theta is 30 and opposite here is CE and adjacent was AE. Adjacent is AE. Now the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. That is equals to opposite CE we don't know and AE value also I don't know. So I'm going to keep this as it is. Then I'm going to draw one line here and adjacently I'm going to take one more triangle. The name of the triangle is, okay, the name of the triangle is, as you can see, I'm going to take now this triangle. Can you see the shaded region? Now I'm going to take the triangle 45 degree. So I can write here in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, angle B is 45 degree and angle D is 90 degree. As you can see, this is also perpendicular, this is also perpendicular. Now again I am going to apply the tan theta formula. That is tan theta, theta is 45. Now my opposite is CE and my adjacent is DE or ED, both are same. Okay. Now what I am going to do, tan 45 value is 1. CE, I am going to keep it as it is CE. Now the value of DE, we know that AB is equals to DE, that is equals to 8 meters. AB and DE both are equal. AB and DE, excuse me, AB and DE both are equal. So I am going to write that as DE as 8. Now 8 into 1 is 8. Now 8 is equals to CE. Just a minute. Is it correct? Tan 45 no? Yes or no? According to figure ABD, sorry, BCD, what is opposite? Is it CE? Opposite is not CE. Opposite is CD. This complete side, no man. How CE we do? Excuse me. It is not CE. That is CD. Am I right? To find the value of CD, excuse me. To find the value of CD, what I did, in place of CD, I wrote CD as CE plus DE. Clear? CD is full side. To full side, what we should do? CE value and DE value, if you add, you will get CD value. Half plus half, full. Yes, sir. CD is full side, no? Yes, sir. E is midpoint. Yes. If you want this full side, CD, what you should do? The CE value and DE value, this both value, if you add, you will get full side, CD. Yes, sir. Done? Now, observe here. The value is simple. CD is CE plus DE. The value of DE is, let me write DE as it is. Now I am going to substitute. That is 1 is equals to CE, we don't know. Keep it as it is. DE value is 8 divided by 8. Now cross multiply. 8 into 1 is 8 is equals to CE plus 8. Is it correct? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How it is correct, man? Huh? How it is correct? It's wrong. I'm just checking your IQ. Where's your concentration? Can you see this tan 45? Opposite by adjacent, no? See the full figure, CD. See, man. This full figure we took, no? BCD. What is my opposite? CD. What is my adjacent? BD. But what I wrote here, DE. You all are telling it is right. It is not DE, it is BD.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here what we want to write? Opposite is CD, adjacent is BD. CD is CE plus DE. BD is BD only. In place of BD, you can also write AE. If not, you write here BD only. Here you change CE is equal 1 by root 3 is equals to CE by, in place of AE, you can write BD. Here shift C AE as BD. Understood? But I don't want to make BD because you may get confused between the previous case and this case. So what I will write, I will mention as AE only. What I will mention here, I am going to replace my BD as AE. I am going to replace BD as AE. So 1 as it is equals to CE. CE as it is plus DE. DE can be written as 8. We know the value. AE value we don't know. So I am going to keep AE as it is. Now AE into 1 is AE is equals to CE plus 8. AE is equals to CE plus 8. Now I am going to keep this as 1. Let me write 2. This we change. Now AE into 1 is AE is equals to root 3 CE. This is my equation 1. Understood now case? Yeah. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, as we know that both the LHS are equal, so we can equate the RHS are also equal. So here I am going to take the RHS values as equation 1 RHS is root 3 CE is equals to equation 2 RHS is CE plus 8. Done. Now what we did, root 3 CE I kept as it is, plus CE come this side, minus CE, that is equals to 8. Now both the sides we have CE. So what I did, I took CE as common, then we wrote root 3 minus 1 is equals to 8. Then the value of CE is 8 upon root 3 minus 1. 8 by root 3 minus 1. Since we got in denominator root, so we have to do rationalization. Then what we did, CE is equals to 8 by root 3 minus 1. The rationalizing factor of root 3 minus 1 is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. That is equals to numerator with numerator 8 root 3 plus 1, denominator with denominator a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. That is 8 into root 3 plus 1 divided by square root get cancel 3 minus 1 square is 1. So 3 minus 1 is nothing but 8 by root 3 plus 1 by 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then if you are going to cancel them, 2 ones are 2 fours are, the value is 4 into root 3 plus 1. This is the value of CE. But here we don't want CE. Actually, we want CD. The height of the building, the height of the multi-storied building is CE. Now we can write here comment. Therefore, height of multi-storied building, height of multi-storied building is what? CD. Height of the multi-storied building is CD. If you want CD, what we should do? CD is equals to CE plus DE. From the figure. Now the value of CE is 4 into root 3 plus 1 plus the value of DE was 8. The value of DE was 8. Now 4 into root 3, it is 4 root 3 plus 4 ones are 4 plus 8. Now number we have to add with number, root we have to add with root. So what I am going to do, 4 root 3 I kept as it is plus 4 plus 8 is 12. Now I am going to take 4 as common. If you are going to take 4 as common, root 3 plus 4 into 3 is 12. So the value is left out, 4 into root 3 plus CD is equals to 4 into root 3 plus 3 meters. This is the height of the building. This is the height of the building. My dear students, after finding the height of the building, they are asking us to find the distance between the two buildings. They are asking here to find the distance between the two buildings. Now the distance between the two buildings, if you are going to see the figure, as you can see the figure, the distance between the two buildings is either you can take AE or you can take BD. Both are same. AE and BD, we know that AE is equals to BD. Both the values are equal. Since in the values I have taken AE word, since I have taken the number as AE, so what I should do? Can I take equation 1 here? If we are going to take equation 1, according to equation 1, what is AE? AE is equals to root 3 CE. Am I right? AE is equals to root 3 CE. Now you can write therefore distance between two buildings is AE or BD. Both are equal. So to find the distance between the two buildings, what I did, I have considered equation 1. According to equation 1, you can say that AE is equals to root 3 into CE. So root 3 I kept as it is. Now, just now we got the value of CE here. As we know that the value of CE is 8 by root 3 minus 1. If not, we can take the exact value of CE here. Just now we got. What is the exact value of CE we got here? 4 into root 3 plus 1. Am I right? What the exact value of root 3 after rationalization? After rationalization, we got the value of C is 4 into root 3 plus 1. The same value of C can we substitute over there? Yes, sir. So CE is equals to 4 root 3 plus 1. This is CE. Can we substitute here? See, actually in the before case, same problem I solved, but step by step, separately I have solved. But here all together I am solving it. Understood? Root 3 as it is, C is 4 root 3 plus 1. Now multiply. Root 3 into 4 root 3, 4 root 3 whole square. Plus root 3 into 1, root 3. Root 3 into 1, root 3. Square root get cancelled. 4 3s are 12 plus root 3. Sorry. Done? Done? 4 into 3, 12 plus root 3. Done? So earlier, what's the value of A we got? In before case? Just a minute. See. 12 plus root 3. How can we take common here? We can't take common. Huh? Children, as you can see, it is root 3, right? What is C? C is 4 into root 3 plus 1. Yeah. Please be careful. Root 3 as it is. Open the bracket. C is 4. Again open the bracket. In that root 3 plus 1. Close the main bracket. See here this step. Am I right? Yes, sir. Already 4 is outside the bracket. Now 4 should multiply with root 3 and 4 has to multiply with 1. It is not 4 root 3 plus 1. It is 4 into root 3 plus 1. Now what we should do? Root 3 as it is. 4 into root 3. 4 root 3 plus 4 into 1 is 4. Now we should multiply root 3 into 4 root 3. It is 4 root 3 whole square. Plus root 3 into 4. It is 4 root 3. Then square root get cancelled. 4 3s are 12 plus 4 root 3. Now 4 and 12 goes with 4 tables. So 4 we took common. So 4 3s are 12 plus root 3 meters. This is the value of AE. Yeah. Great. We won the war. Excuse me. I hope you have understood this problem. Yes. Now, make a note of the next question. So, this completes your all worked example problems. So, in our next session, we'll start with exercise problems related to this chapter in our next part. So, let me complete this one example so that your all worked example problems will get covered in this video. Okay. So, the next question number 7. Please make a note first. We'll complete out. Make a note. From a point on a bridge, across a river, comma, the angles of depression of the banks on opposite sides of the river are 30° and 45° respectively, full stop, if the bridge is at a height of 3 meter from the banks, comma, find the width of the river. Yeah, children, might be for this problem you may get a diagram in the question paper, but I'm not sure whether you will get or not. So here I will not draw the diagram of your textbook. Let me itself understand the diagram so that it will be helpful for you. Now if I give the diagram, if I paste you the diagram like your textbook, and if I get started with solving the problem, so in exam you may get suffered. Am I right? Yes, okay. Now, as you can see, the question is from a point on the bridge. We have a bridge. I think you know the bridge, right? See, man, if this is the road, we have a bridge like this. Correct, no? This is the bridge, man. Understood? We have a bridge. Excuse me. Let's say, excuse me, but I don't know whether it is straight bridge or flat bridge or whatsoever. So first, let me understand the question. Let me say this is a bridge. Okay. From this bridge, I am taking one point. From a point on a bridge across a river, the river is flowing down. The river is, excuse me, here the river is flowing. Understood? On the river, I have drawn a bridge. I have drawn one bridge. From this bridge, I have taken a point. Let me call it as a P. So P is a point on a bridge. From a point on a bridge across a river, the angle of depression. What is happening? Now this is a point, means this complete line is horizontal. Shall we take this line as horizontal? Now angle of depression is what? Angle is coming down from point P. Understood? From a point on a bridge across a river, the angle of depression of the banks on opposite sides of the river. So angle of depression is happening on the opposite sides. Both the sides angle of depression is happening. And one angle of depression is happening here and one more angle of depression is happening in the opposite side. Understood? From the point P, angle of depression is happening on the opposite sides. Opposite side means both the sides. Angle of depression is happening. Now, in first side, angle of depression is 30 degree. On the first side, angle of depression is 30 degree. So let me say this is my 30 degree. This is my first angle of depression. The first angle of depression is 30 degree and the second angle of depression is 45 degree. You can imagine how much it could be 45 degree. It will be a bit more than 30 degree. So this is my angle of depression. This is my 45 degree. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
Understood the concept? So from a point P on a bridge, first angle of depression is 30 degree. In the opposite side, the angle of depression is 45 degree. Now, if the bridge is at a height of 3 meters, now what is the height of the bridge they said? This is the height of a bridge. The height of a bridge is, let me say, this name as AB. Understood? So the height of the bridge is 3 meters. Understood? The height of the bridge is 3 meters. Either you take this side or you take this side. Both the side, it will be same. Height remains same, no man.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Look at here. If you are getting confused, I'll do it. See here. Let me consider the height of the bridge is this length. Let me draw one more line here. Now this is my height of the bridge. Can you take like this now?
Yes, sir.
Height of the bridge. Isn't it? Now, if I am going to take this line as my height of the bridge, please understand carefully. I am going to erase this part now. So, when this is my height of the bridge, I am going to draw one more parallel side here. I have drawn one more parallel side. Now, let me say, okay, this point as, what shall we give the point name here? AB over, no? Shall we give this point as C? Shall we tell this point name is D? Understood? Clear? So, height of the bridge is 3 meter. It means the value of PC is 3 meters. Now this angle will be 90 degree. Always the height to the bottom, always it is perpendicular. Any doubts? Now, please understand here carefully. If this is 30 degree, then this is also 30 degree. Will you agree?
Yes, sir.
When this is 45 degree, this is also 45 degree. Will you agree?
Yeah.
Now, according to this, we have got two triangles here. This is one right angle triangle. Similarly, we have got, this is one more right angle triangle. We got two right angle triangles here. Understood the question? Understood the question?
Yes, sir.
We got two right angled triangles here. Now, come back to the problem. Okay, guys, observe here. Now, according to the question, if the bridge is at a height of 3 meters from the banks, find the width of the river. What they are asking? Width of the river. What do you mean by width of the river? Width means how much is there width. Width means the complete distance between B to D. So the river is flowing from B to D. River is flowing in this direction. Width of the river means we have to find BD. If you want to find the value of BD, first we should know BC, then we should know CD. Simple. Find BC separate according to figure 1. Find CD separate according to figure 2. Then add both the values. You will get the width of the river. That's it. So children, but here you should write the first sentence. What? Let a point P. Make a note. Let a point P. Let a point P be the point. Let a point P be the point on the bridge. On the bridge. Let a point P be a point on the bridge. Clear? Next line. The height of the bridge. The height of the bridge. P. the height of the bridge B, PC, PC, the height of the bridge B, PC. Understood? Next, the width of the river, the width of the river B, the width of the river B, BD, the width of the river B, BD. This much we know.
Yes, sir.
Now, can we take first triangle?
Yes, sir.
In triangle BPC, we know angle B is 30 degree, angle C is 90 degree. Angle C is 90 degree according to figure 1. First side, first blue color which I have shaded in sky blue. That's that side. According to that, we know opposite side. Opposite is PC. We have to find adjacent. Adjacent is BC. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
They have given this height, no man.
Yes, sir.
This is total height, no PC.
Yes.
They said it is 3 meter. Yes or no?
Yes.
The total height is PC. That is 3 meters. They have already given.
Yes, sir.
So we know opposite. Now we have to find adjacent.
Adjacent.
So we can say that tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Then tan 30 degree is equals to, my opposite is PC, adjacent is BC. Opposite is PC, adjacent is BC. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equals to, PC value we know it is 3. BC value we don't know, keep it as it is. Now BC into 1 is BC is equals to 3 root 3 meters. Am I right? This into this, cross multiply. Similarly, next case, in triangle
PCD.
PCD, angle C is 90 degree, angle D is 45 degree. Now same can we apply tan theta?
Yes, sir. Tan 45.
Now tan theta is 45 is equals to, opposite is PC, adjacent is CD. Tan 45 is 1, PC value is 3 meters, divided by CD value we don't know. Keep it as it is. Now CD into 1 is CD is equals to 3 meters.
Yes, sir.
Am I right? Now actually we have to find the width of the river. Therefore, comment width of the river is BD. Am I right? Then BD is equals to BC plus CD. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
My dear students, if you are liking this session, or else you are understanding my explanation, do not forget to click the like button. Do not forget to click the like button. And also, after the end of this video, I want a definite, genuine result. How was my session? How are my classes? And what benefit are you getting out of our classes? And hit the comment without fail. Okay, let's continue. Now BD is equals to BC. BC is 3 root 3 plus CD is 3. Now both the sides we have 3, so we can take 3 as common.
Yes, sir.
So 3, if you are going to take common, root 3, already 3 came out. In place of that we have to write 1. So BD is equals to 3 into root 3 plus 1 meters. In the question they have not given, substitute the value of root 3 something. You can keep it as it is. In case if your teachers are asking, we want exact answer, then you have to keep a note, root 3 value as 1.73. Just multiply 1.73 plus 1 you add. What is 1.73 plus 1? 2.73. Into 3 you multiply, you will get the exact value in meters. That's it. Substitute the value and add or multiply the stuff what is given over there. So this is what the width of the river. I hope the concept is clear for you all guys. Good. So in our next part 3, we are going to continue the problems of exercise solutions. Okay, exercise problems. We are going to find the solutions for that in our next session. Thank you. Take care. All the best. Keep watching to our channel, Shah Sir Classes.